So you found contracts worth tracking. Now you need a place to keep them. That's why we implemented the Watchlist, your personal command center for organizing and monitoring the trades that matter to you. My list lets you create custom groups for your contracts. Organize them by strategy, by sector, by conviction level, whatever works for you. Each list shows you how many contracts are inside and when it was last updated. Below that, unclassified contracts. These are contracts you've saved but haven't sorted into a list yet. To add a contract, go to a list and hit Add Contracts in the top right. Type in a ticker, then filter by expiration date, strike price, and whether it's a call or put. When you find the one you want, tap the heart and it's saved. Open a list and you get a snapshot at the top. Your average return over the past 7 days, which contract is closest to expiring, and your list bias showing the put to call breakdown. A quick health check on your entire list. Below that, every contract with the key stats, price, DTE, bid ask, total return since you added it, and moneyness. Click any contract and you go straight to the full contract details page. And that's the watch list. Save it, organize it, track it. Remember, follow the signal, ignore the noise, and never miss a trade.